Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can make a text inside of the box only with the Canva application. First, you just need to make this type of editing, the black color, or you can do any colors of the canvas that you want. Then you just need to creating this text. You just need to download this first by go tap into this and make sure you download it, and please create a GPG and then go click download. And then you just need to wait until your project here is perfectly downloaded. Make sure you already have the best connections on your phone. Right after that, you just need to go click into this element, and then you just need to tap into the frame right here, and then you just need to pick the frames. Go expand these frames, and then you just need to pick one of the frames that you want. Perfect. And then you just need to resize in it. Perfect. And the next thing you need to do is just go adding the photo inside of this frame. So you just need to tap into this elements again, and then you just need to go tap into this upload and upload the files from your photo library, and then click the same picture that we already saved, and then you just need to tap on it. Then you just need to bring it inside of the frame, and then you just need to tap twice, and you can make it like smaller, and then you just need to go click done. The next, you just need to add a shadow here, and then just tap shadows, and then you just need to find the shadows graphic. You can do it for free. And then you just need to adjusting the size as well as the locations. Where do you want to put it? Make sure that you put it into a frame, and then you just need to duplicate this and place it into the opposite way, and then just place them just match with the frames that we have here. Perfect. And now you are done. So this is how the way you do this editing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.